In today's video, we're going to talk about healthy eating and meal preparation. If you're someone who's trying to eat healthier or lose weight, this video is for you. We'll be covering some easy and nutritious meal prep ideas that you can use to stay on track with your goals. 1. Importance of meal prep. First, let's talk about the importance of meal prep. By planning and prepping your meals in advance, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy options when you're feeling hungry or short on time. Meal prep also helps you save money and reduce food waste by utilizing ingredients you already have on hand. 2. Meal prep tips. When it comes to meal prep, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Start by planning your meals for the week ahead. Look for healthy recipes that you enjoy and make a grocery list of all the ingredients you'll need. Choose meals that are easy to prepare in advance and can be stored in the fridge or freezer for later. Consider using containers that are portion controlled, so you don't overeat. 3. Meal prep recipe ideas. Now, let's move on to some meal prep recipe ideas. For breakfast, you can make overnight oats or a veggie-packed frittata. For lunch, try a quinoa salad with roasted veggies or a chicken and veggie stir-fry. For dinner, consider making a big batch of chili or vegetable soup that you can freeze for later. 4. Healthy snack options. Finally, let's talk about healthy snack options. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, try snacking on fresh fruits and veggies with hummus or guacamole. You can also make your own trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. 5. Variety in your meals. It's important to add variety to your meals to keep things interesting and avoid getting bored with your food choices. Try experimenting with new recipes, ingredients, and cuisines to keep your taste buds engaged. You can also switch up your meal prep routine by prepping different meals each week. 6. Prepping protein. Protein is an essential nutrient for muscle growth and repair, so it's important to make sure you're getting enough in your diet. When prepping your meals, consider adding lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, or beans to each meal. You can also pre-cook your protein and store it separately to mix and match with different sides throughout the week. 7. Don't forget about hydration. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining good health, but it can be easy to forget to drink enough water throughout the day. When meal prepping, make sure to include water-rich foods like fruits and veggies in your meals. You can also flavor your water with citrus fruits or herbs to make it more enticing to drink. 8. Snack prep. In addition to meal prep, it's important to have healthy snacks on hand to keep you fueled between meals. Prepping snacks like sliced veggies, hard-boiled eggs, or homemade energy balls can make it easier to grab a healthy option when hunger strikes. 9. Healthy meal swaps. When meal prepping, consider swapping out less healthy ingredients for more nutritious alternatives. For example, you can use cauliflower rice instead of regular rice, or zucchini noodles instead of pasta. These small swaps can make a big difference in the overall nutritional value of your meals. 10. Portion control. Finally, it's important to practice portion control when meal prepping. Use containers or meal prep tools that help you measure out appropriate portions for each meal. This can help you avoid overeating and stay on track with your goals. Remember, healthy eating and meal prep is all about finding what works for you and your lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things, and always listen to your body's needs. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and fitness goals.